Hello guys, welcome back to the PC Hero Detective channel. In today's video, we will show you how to fix YouTube Italic font on showing. To fix this, just press Ctrl+Shift+Delete on your keyboard. This will open delete browsing data option on your Chrome browser. Just delete all the browsing data you have and then click delete data. This will delete all the history cache file on your browser. After that, close the settings window, then go to the YouTube page again, reload this, and this may fix your issue, that italic font issue. I hope this guide will fix your problem. If it didn't, then go back to the Chrome settings page again and then click on the three dots, then click on settings. From here, go to the appearance section and find to the font option, scroll down and select customize font. Here standard font should be Times New Roman or any other font you choose, and serif font as well as you think that best for you. I'm choosing Times New Roman, and then sans-serif font to Arial. You can choose any other font if you want. After that, this kind of settings may help to fix the issue. I hope this guide will help you. If it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section if it works or not. I hope this guide will help you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.